Hey spooks, welcome back to my channel. So to create this Beetlejuice look, I first went into this white face paint, and this is the Mayron Paradise paint in white, and I just covered my face and chest area with it. I then penciled my eyebrows in with a green eye pencil, and you could do this with a paint or a cream colour. I like using the Wonder 2 Cosmetics pencils to colour in my brows because they come in really bright colours and they're really creamy and go over my brows well. I went into this dark purple eyeshadow using a blending brush, and I just went straight into the crease of my eye and added the colour and started to blend it out. I then went into a black eyeshadow and I used an angled brush, and I just started to add that onto the crease to darken it and towards the edges of the eyes to add more of a smoky effect, and I went underneath with it as well. I then went into the purple eyeshadow and I took that underneath the eye as well, and then I went into this lime green shade and I just patted that on top of my eyelid. Nothing fancy, no crazy cut creases, just patted it on with my finger to create this green lid. I also took the green into the corner of my eye as well. Using the same green eyeshadow, I used it as a contour colour, so I used it on my cheekbones, around my forehead, and I even contoured my nose with the green shadow. I then went into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow palette, and I went into this gorgeous green highlighter, and I used that down the centre of my nose and on my cheekbones, on my brow bones, and I am obsessed with this highlighter. Penciled in on my waterline with this lime green eye pencil. I don't know if you can really see it, but I did it anyway. Beetlejuice's iconic look is that he wears a black and white stripy suit, so I wanted to kind of recreate this but make it a bit more feminine. So I painted these Tim Burton-esque black stripes on the neck, and then I went on to paint a black and white stripy dress. I'd painted the outlines of the dress. I then went into this black eyeshadow and I started to shade around, shading some boobs and just make it all look a bit more 3D and realistic. For the lips, I used this super dark purple soft matte lip cream from NYX. But then I did actually go over it with a brighter purple shade of the same brand because I wanted it a bit brighter. Okay, this is green gelatin, specially for zombies. And so you mix it with water and then you can put it on and it sticks to the skin and then it hardens. It totally grossed me out, I'm not going to lie. but on BeetleJuice's face he's got these kind of like greeny, creepy patches, so I wanted to replicate that. Once the gelatin had hardened, I then went over the top of it with a neon green face paint. Okay guys, I then put in some creepy white contact lenses, and this is the finished look. If you've not seen BeetleJuice, I suggest you go out and buy the DVD or watch it on Netflix. It's a classic 80s spooky, funny film. If you're new to my channel, my name is Emily and I'm a professional face and body painter. If you want to see more spooky Halloween tutorials, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Also, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.